is different now than I remember. From all the colors of September, we fall into that same honesty. Lately I bite more than I can swallow, and I've sealed these senses in a bottle. Then I wish we could go back that way. Hang on, darling, these memories like mending a broken room in our hands, but still out of touch. Think I've forgotten how to dream without you, a part of me, my sweet Constantine. It ain't a secret anymore since you walked through those doors. You know I struggle with being myself. Maybe this is all that matters. All the spots and slips and spatters from you to me to somebody else. Hang on, darling, these memories like painting an empty room in our hands, but still out of touch. And I wonder now instead how you live inside my head. Once a figure, now a shadow on the bed. Hang on, darling, these memories, will they fill up an empty room in our hands, but still out of touch. I haven't forgotten how to dream without you, a part of me, my sweet Constantine.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.